Oh, how is handsome a new job? Starting a new job here, and there are many times that I don't speak here with you. I think that I'm too late with my works because the people don't let me make nothing here in peace in Brazil. I try, but all day any person try to do my sunshine in a worse day. Perfect. But I try to do the things here. Well, look. Well done. Well done. The people are buying quadcopter, some professional quadcopters, and they don't have no way for do the fly with security. They are not skilled. They have no condition to fly with security, and they don't know the app, know the flight system, neither the drone system too. Perfect. And I received here today other quadcopter with the situation because the people cross throughout the time trying to do good images but without no one skill to fly with security. And all day the quadcopters are damaged here, arriving here, damaged here in my house to do repair. Perfect. Let me see the situation for the quadcopter. And I think that we have problems here for fly with security. Let me see. Uh, Turn on first the control. Let me see what happens here. Could be great. Bad. We have bind condition. Seems amazing. Without binds. Perfect. The gimbal has some calibration, but I think that any motor are bad because on a minute, it's bounded. It's bounded, but it seems that there's no bind. It's bounded. Look, it's bounded. It's wonderful. I don't believe. It's bounded. But the control say no. Terrible. Let me see if there's condition for turn on. No, there's no condition. Terrible, terrible. Let me see anything here. It has bind condition, but anything is wrong in this system. And I will repair first the system, and then I will see if the quadcopter has anything damaged because the gimbal, there's no condition for calibrate. There's no condition to for work. I need to look if it's hot. Hmm, no, it's good. It's good. First and second motor, two. Okay, we have here the major system, and I have no condition for fly because anything in navigation system is damaged, and I need to replace or find a solution for work again with security. Okay, let's go. First, I need to see if in the app, in the assistant, we have a situation that don't left this quadcopter work. Any times the people in your house try to replace or assemble one thing in your quadcopters, and when it's bad, when the change, when the replacement is bad, they try to do the update or downgrade for firmware. This is too bad. Don't try it in your house because you will damage your quadcopter. And after damage, repair is still difficult. I don't know in your country, but here in Brazil, so there are all a few of purpose people that work with quadcopters. 100 people that I make a school here in Brazil for teach to these professionals that are working here in Brazil now. But I think that in your country there's no person, or if there is any people for do repair, I'm sorry, but I think that is not too good. Really, quadcopters is so difficult repair to do. There are a lot of things that you need to know, and you need to be really skilled to do quadcopter repair. Well, let's go. Well, anytime you need to do the factory reset here, I will try for solve the situation. Look, there's no way. It's too hard to do. Oh, a minute. Device is over. I need to be careful because the the connection is bad. Okay, connection is too bad. Now I will do the factory reset for start my job here to factory defaults. Look, it's the only way in this situation because the quadcopter is too damaged and I need to do the factory defaults because I know I've no other way to solve this bad situation. Look, there's nothing to do here. Okay, now it's reset. It's new again? I don't know. I will discover. I would like to discover. This isn't the only and the great solution for the situation. Look, 3 times. And now, 3 times. Nothing. It's burned. This quadcopter is too bad. I need to make other things here for though this quadcopter is safe again for flight. But by the time a miracle is starting over here. Grow, 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 grow the miracle. Please. Okay, now a miracle is over here. Perfect. This is not the great solution because I need to job here and make this quadcopter safe. Look, there's no GPS signal and there's no function in the sensors, the avoidance sensors, collision sensors. This cheat here. No, no, it's not shit. It is not a shit. The Mavic sensors are too powerful. Turn off, turn on. You need to work slowly, like an ocean, and no, like a runner, because it will damage your quadcopter. Now I need to do a thing here. Too bad, because connector is too bad here. I need to protect for don't let anything bad in my process here. Hold a minute. Well, it's not beautiful, but will function. Let's go. Let's go. Calibration. You would like to see? On a minute. Well, it's connected. Now it's calibrating. It's starting the calibration system. I need to be careful for don't stop anything. It's delaying. I need to wait. It's too important. Don't run. Don't turn off your quadcopter. You need to wait. Here, talk to reboot the aircraft. Now I will do. Well, this is what I have here now. Quadcopter flies. Our gimbal move. Too slowly. But it isn't perfect. I need to make something for left this quadcopter perfect. This is the first time of this job. It will have a second part, and I come back after rest because I'm so tired. Well, guys, this is the first part of this event. I come back again.